Okay, we have a HAAS 4-axis vertical machining center, model VF2, serial number 1092124. This machine was new in 2012, and we're going to run it for you. Machine is running right now, 1000 RPM. Nice and quiet. It goes up to 8100 RPM. It's doing a gear shift.
That's
2500 RPM. So a VF2 has 30 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, and 20 of Z. You have a 36 by 15 T-slotted table.
5,000.
That's 5,000. Cat 40 spindle. You have a 20 tool ATC. You see the machine has a bunch of tools inside of it. 6,500. 6,500. All right. Now, this machine is a 4-axis, so you have a HAAS model HRT 210 4th axis table, and the table has attached to it a chuck. He's simulating a tool change, or actually doing tool changes. It's moving the X-axis. You have telescopic weight covers. There's your Y. And your Z. That is your rotary table with the chuck. So this machine also has, under control, has extended memory, advanced tool management, rotation and scaling, quick code, negative work offsets, exact stop mode. This machine's also DNC enabled, and it has rigid tabbing. Hey, look at that. Thank you for watching our video.